Alright guys, we're back with another unboxing from Backwoods Messery. We're going to be unboxing this, the Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless gaming headset with slipstream. We're going to be upgrading from the Corsair Void Pro wireless gaming headset without slipstream. Been waiting for this for a while. Don't mind a shaky video. New camera girl. So the packaging, standard Corsair packaging, very nice. Textured cover of the headset, very nice. And standard with Corsair is their black and yellow. There's a headset still in the box. Looks good. Some protective covers over the earmuffs. Build quality, very smooth. Feels like aluminum for the hinges. Adjustability band, very noticeable. A lot of adjustability there. It's very nice. Excuse me. Feels like memory foam in the headband around the earpieces. So pretty flexible if you got a big head. They kind of tilt in a little bit to match. You got, don't know if you can see all that well, but you got your wireless switch, wired switch for charging. You also got your volume wheel. You've got your USB Type-C, very nice feature. Love USB Type-C. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack so that you can actually plug it directly into an Xbox controller or a PlayStation 4 controller. For me, I am running a PC, and then it has a, looks like a micro USB Type B for the headset. I don't know how well you can see that there, but let's give her a test fit and then we'll peel some stuff off. And I do believe that the mic goes on the left standard like their Void Pro. So as far as comfort, very comfortable, especially for people that wear glasses. Sound deadening, pretty good so far. I do not have any way to test sound quality and put it into the video, otherwise I would show you a demonstration between this headset and my current Void Pro headset. But continuing, I will lay these down. Continuing in the box, more foam. Gotta love foam. And then they're standard, they always put everything in boxes. Everything comes in a box. Standard warranty, all that, you know, how to safely use it, charge it, all that. Don't need that. Silicone packet. Don't eat that. You will die. Standard charge cable there. Like I said, it's USB on one side, Type-C on the other. Love it. Love it. Slipstream dongle. You can plug that into the back of the computer. I'll be plugging it into my ST100 RGB headset stand. Mic as well has a on-off button there. Mic mute, mic unmute. And then the standard 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which we will not be using, so that will stay in the box. I do believe that is all that is in this box. So we have everything out that we need. I will set that stuff aside. Now we get into the fun stuff. We get to peel the plastic. We can get the tab. So, everybody's favorite part. Can't really hear it, but still. And if I knew how to do that in slow motion, I promise you it'd be in the video. So, anyway, moving right along. Microphone has a slot on it, and it is keyed one way. It only goes in one way. So we will go ahead and connect that. We will set the Void Pro headset off to the side, along with the dongle. And I will be changing out said charge cable, which was a micro USB. So, we're upgrading. Love upgrading. It's a good time. Don't mind the clutter over here on my desk if you can see it. I do apologize. We will go ahead and unstretch the new cord. Figure out which way to plug this thing in. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and open up iCUE on the computer here. Okay, so I have iCUE open. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. And as you can tell, there's RGB on the tip of the microphone. On both side earpieces, there's RGB. And there it is. So we will click into it. We have our side tone all the way up. We will put that in 7.1 surround sound. It does. iCUE supports Windows spiral sound. You can turn that on in your Windows setting if you'd like that. We're going to go over the settings. We're going to click on the Virtuoso. I'm going to crank that brightness up. You can see that's super bright. You can take and you can turn it off if you'd like. You can turn that, you can adjust that however you feel. We're going to turn off sleep mode because we don't need that. We're going to turn on enable battery gauge in the system taskbar. And then we're going to click update. Alright, we're already running the latest update. So now we're going to initiate pairing. We're going to take our dongle and plug it right on into our ST headset. Of course, click yes. Now we're going to initiate pairing. Pairing successful. So we should be all ready to go. Let's put this bad boy on and give her a test run. What do you say? Okay, so let's see. I am in wired mode. I switch over. I unplug. Okay, it's setting up. It's doing stuff here. Come on. It's thinking about it. Okay, there we are. Mic is on. Did things. Uh-oh. It's thinking about it. It wants to work. Okay. So now we're back on. Mic is off, indicated by the red. Mic is on via the green. Let's give this a whirl here. Alright. You do have feedback if you turn the mic in towards your mouth. It's not very loud, I promise you. It says the battery is high, so we do not need to charge at this current moment in time. So we'll just shove that cord over there. Don't, like I said, don't mind the clutter on the desk here. This is a normal everyday thing here. So we're gonna close iCUE because we're good there. Go over to my Backwoods Messery channel on Discord. Okay, let's see. Where is it? There's a volume button around here somewhere. And I can turn the volume up. So I have the volume at 42, and it does turn up your desktop volume for you. It also turns down your desktop volume as well. So as you roll your scroll wheel, your side tones will either get louder or softer, depending on how you use that scroll wheel. Okay, now it's a single scroll wheel that does not have a stop. It is very nice. It does go around all the way. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Spotify. I'm going to test some sound here. I do know that in IQ, I'll show you this real quick. In IQ, if you go into your IQ, as you can tell, I have a lot of Corsair products. I do like Corsair products, but I am not sponsored by any means by Corsair. But anyway, so you can go and you can do a static color. You can do the rainbow. It should be doing rainbow right about now. Just kind of going through, you know, you can have it go fast, you can have it go medium, you can have it go slow. For your lighting effects, you can kind of just do, you know, the lightning link, which all of my stuff here, the headset stand, the keyboard, mouse pad, mouse, headset, all kind of match now. If you go into the equalizer presets, you do have equalizer presets that can be accessed through IQ. You have Pure Direct, you have the movie theater, you have FPS compensation, and then you have clear chat, and then you also have bass boost. I do believe by clicking, no, there is no. See, on the Void Pro, if you clicked the volume wheel, you could change your presets. But there's no way to change the presets, the equalizer presets. That's what I was looking for here. So that's what I was looking for, was, you know, a way that you could change your presets, but you can't. So you'd have to go in, unfortunately, excuse me, you would have to go in and change, you know, which preset you want, and obviously you can do a custom one. So we're going to leave this on Pure Direct, and I'm going to go to my radio. I have a ton of stuff here, Megadeth radio. We'll give Ghost a listen here with Square Hammer. Unfortunately, I know you can't hear the sound, but I am talking and I can hear myself over the music, which is a wonderful thing. So you're not screaming at the top of your lungs while listening to music. If you're trying to talk to somebody, you may not be able to hear them, but they could hear you at a decent tone. So you're not screaming with normal headphones. So sound quality is very good. Let's try a different song here. Avatar, good band. If you guys want, check them out. Avatar, they're out of Finland, I do believe. So very good sound quality there. I'm gonna wrap this video up. I know it's probably been a long video. We typically have long videos. If you can't tell, we just had new kittens. 6 new kittens. 6 new kittens today. Brand new mom cat. Awesome. Anyway, the setup has changed just slightly here. I got a different stand. This edge piece here kind of bugs me a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. I will be upgrading these. You will see that in a later video to come next week. Look for that. Appreciate it. As always, if you like this type of content, you want to see more of it, like, subscribe. I will be putting the Discord channel down below in the description. along with the Facebook will be on there, and I will try to link my Twitter. So you can catch me on Discord at Backwoods Messery. I'll set an invite down below. Facebook will also be down below in the description. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good night.